Hello guys, Jay here. I have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250, and I've been having a situation with it where it says parking brake. Parking brake is C. Here it is. It says parking brake C operator's manual. Okay, and that happened yesterday, and I was kind of worried about it. And I didn't know what to do with it. So I decided, since I'm very handy and always take care of everything in the car, if it's something that's complicated, I'll take it to a mechanic. If not, I'll try to fix it myself and make some research, read the manual and see what I can do myself before taking it to a mechanic. And I'm gonna show you guys how to get rid of it. And it's not that complicated. Don't go and spend money for something that's simple. You may probably understand that I'm not a mechanic, so I'm just telling you what works for me. If you have the same car, or if you have a Benz, you can try to see if you can fix it yourself, okay? All right, let's go. The first thing you do, first of all, you come here, you turn on the engine, all right? Turn on the engine of your car, it gives you the message again, okay? So once it's a brake, it says the ABS, as mentioned as well, you know that you have to locate your, just making sure, the parking brake, okay? The manual brake. You have to locate it, make sure you know where it's at. And you come here, okay? The first thing you do, you put the car on drive, okay? Put the car on drive. What I want you to do now, go to the parking brake manual. You press it. You're gonna hear a noise. It's something like that, okay? And you release it, okay? And you're gonna do it again, okay? Let me put the car on drive. I'll do it again, okay? Do it again, okay? Park and release, okay? Do the second time. Park. And here it is, guys. Problem solved. Okay, so good luck out there. Okay, all right.